Welcome to the ChatAlone demo. This is the Create User page where users are able to enter their desired username. However, before the username is stored into the database, the user has to fulfill two checklists. 1. The user is not allowed to enter an empty username. 2. The user is not allowed to enter a username that contains profanity. This is the home page. We will now try the Find Nearby Device function. We are currently on the Find Nearby Device page where users are able to listen and broadcast their user ID, and users are able to connect and communicate with each other through this page. After connecting and clicking into the chat button, users are able to communicate one another through the peer-to-peer function, as users are able to enter their text message and send to one another. Users are also allowed to send image files, where image will be converted into bytes and then sent over to the other users, and the receiving user will then decode the byte and convert it back into an image file. As you can see here, the user is allowed to select an image inside their gallery and then select it as an image to be sent over. Over here we have an example of the decoding of the image when another user sent an image over. Currently, we'll move over to the Mesh Chat function. At the Mesh Chat page, users are able to enter their desired message and send similarly to the chat page. However, the only difference between this page and the chat page is that users' messages are broadcasted. As user messages are broadcasted, each message will contain the name of the user that has sent the message over. As you can see here, the message received from another user that has broadcasted the message is highlighted in grey, and when the current user enters a message and sends it out, it will appear highlighted as green. Users will be able to send image file and receive image files, just like the chat page. Now we'll move on to the group creation page where user is able to create a group by entering the Create a Group button. A alert box will be prompted, users will be allowed to enter their desired group name, and when they are ready, they have to press confirm. After pressing the confirm button, the group name will be broadcasted to other users. Users will be able to connect. Once a user has connected, a chat can be begun. We will move on to the group chat page. Similarly to the Mesh Chat page, users will be able to enter a message and send by clicking the send button. However, the only difference between this is that it will only broadcast the message to users who have connected to the group. Just like the Mesh Chat, users' message will be highlighted in grey for the receiver and green for the sender. Just in case the user wants to change their username, user is able to press the top right button and they are able to enter their new name, and you just have to press confirm and ta-da! The name has been changed. As you can see, this is how both devices should work on a normal basis. So when the device detects another user ID, it prompts the user and the user is able to connect to the user, and then once both have been connected, they are able to enter the chat page. This is the end of the demonstration. Thank you for taking your time